People, matter don't turn against grandpapa. The evil way grandpapa say make he do Sammy, he don't backfire grandpapa oh. Hey, una know say Sammy and Regina Daniel na near pass. Sammy na know all the secrets of Regina Daniel and grandpapa. That's why Sammy is a target. That's why that man go carry Sammy. Now he make una see Mama Regina Daniel won't kilometers because of Sammy. Because then they fear make grandpapa no go do something to Sammy. Because Sammy now he gather all the secrets. Now he know everything when it dey happen between grandpapa and Regina Daniel. Now he make the boy still react the way he react for grandpapa as that very day when grandpapa gbas Regina Daniel. Now the matter wey dey be say una know say they carry Sammy go court. As they carry Sammy go court, na Sammy phone. Now grandpapa they tell them make they seize. So that Sammy phone na be target. Grandpapa though they tell they say make they collect Sammy phone, make they give am. Make they collect Sammy phone, make they give am. Make they collect Sammy phone, make they give am. They say na there na inside one police call say collect phone. Wetin even dey this phone when this man dey anxious about this phone? Let us see with our own eyes. Hey. They can't open phone no. As they open phone, wetin they see for phone, headache hold them. Headache worry them. Now, even grandpapa self, himself now, the thing hold his leg for one corner. Hey. Una say social media, una see say the man just dey do like say I don't care. Mama Regina Daniel wey come out, they remove wig. Una dey laugh say that they lose. The matter tie grandpapa for leg like tomorrow no day. He just dey do odogu. Odogu go soon become all Diego. Now police open phone, wetin they see, e shock police. According to the information, where Regina Daniel marry grandpapa, Regina Daniel think say husband lie down on top of man lie down on top of husband. Now they do for marriage oh. He can't surprise grandpapa start small. The next thing, this man change Regina Daniel to something else. The kind thing when they do, my people, no be smart, you know. Now they call grandpapa or grandpapa no be grandpapa. I'm not sure say some young boys they do that kind thing for bed. Now, according to wetin we hear, they say na grandpapa na he introduce the poor girl. They give her that thing. Una no say she small. Now right from when she don't small that time, oh. Now this man they give this woman something. Now make una say some baby celebrity they come out, they use their platform, they talk say, why is it that grandpapa they never arrest him? Because this whole thing was happening in his house under his nose. And he come out, they can't arrest person. Why is Nigeria police not arresting the person when he be say na they give them and na house if they happen? Una know say all these big celebrity that they talk. We sit down for one corner, they look them, we not talk. Now from their mouth with the ear until they come carry and come and say now grandpapa true. Now he introduce the girl enter according to Mama Regina Daniel interview when she for the talk. Say no be you they give her. No be you they give and say because of your fantasy. Now your fantasy, you like fantasy. You like make your women they high. Hey! Wonder shall never end though, my people. So, according to the information we call under our table, where they tell us now, they say Sammy is at risk. Sammy is at risk because we a day, may they not go do something to that boy, make him lose the memory, make him, they feel just they inject him with different things or there. Where that boy will come out, you can't be like person where they spoil. Because at this point, that is what grandpapa want to do. Because why? When Regina Daniel comes to say grandpapa go they give her this thing they take. If he don't take and go come high, then grandpapa will come carry, now all those kind of things. They go tie Regina Daniel and tie leg, they go they wipe hand, they go like all those kind of crazy fantasy. Hey! I tell grandpapa say, this matter remove her for social media. He no go help things so. Bomb go open. And Regina Daniel don't threaten grandpapa say, if grandpapa no release his brother, say because say his brother, now they fear make him not talk. she Regina Daniel go talk. She don't care who get to lose anything anymore. She go expose that thing with her own mouth. Hey, they say no be small fantasy they go on for bed. Hi, at that very early age, they go give the girl the thing. Now that thing the girl go take, the man go come use anyhow as he like. Give her front, give her back, give her everything. They use like all the fantasy where you they see say that they do. Oh, now that they use Regina Daniel till they do. When Regina Daniel eye go come clear, Regina Daniel go come look herself. Come they ask herself say, now so normal people they live their life. Now so husband and wife they live. Now she come call her brother Sammy because now two of the close pass. He says, Sammy, get what he won't tell you. He don't want me to tell anybody. Now Sammy say, talk to me. Now Regina Daniel come tell Sammy, say, Sammy, see what thing they happen to her. Sammy come shout. Which kind of thing? See what thing they take to the house. Huh? Sammy come shout. Sammy where he did, they said Sammy no they take anything. You know what Sammy they smoke? Now what they call him? That's our this thing. That leave on. Now Sammy they take. Me I call him for the other name way we they call him Morocco. That Morocco now Sammy they take. Now that one, that boy just they take. That boy not they take another thing. When he go here say his sister they take that thing, Sammy come shut. Go tell Regina Daniel say no try again. He say if you not take and see grandpapa no they feed the kids. Say unless they take that thing before they feed do the knacking. He come tell Sammy say not only that too. Say a lot of things they happen. Say the first time we be say there was a time we be say grandpapa even go do one for backyard. He go end up for hospital. He can see 3 times, he can still come back. But grandpapa no stop. Once he take that thing, see the kind different things so grandpapa they do. They go tie hand, tie leg, tie body, beat, they slap, they all kind of all those kind of fantasy. Hey, they say Sammy can't shout. Now Sammy can't tell Regina Daniel say, you know what go happen? This kind of man not be better man. Not be better man. Enough it tell you say walk out of your marriage, but keep an evidence. This man is a dangerous man. Ha! This man not be better person. How person go marry small pikin? Now Sammy come say no wonder they go find small children where they never tear eye. Because mature person wey don't tear eye. Hey, before you tell her make all they do all this thing, go tell you say are you okay? So they go carry small children where they adapt themselves, say maybe now so that they do one for bed. Maybe now so husband and wife they do one. Not knowing that now the man own fantasy, na job be that. Next time we come see me Regina Daniel, they record everything when it happen. My people, before I continue, make I feel welcome now. This now Gossip Big TV. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty in heaven bless you all in Jesus' name. Inshallah. Amen. So, my people, now Regina Daniel, if grandpapa come, you know say na turn by turn. When he be a turn, she go set secret camera. Then they record everything. And when she record, she go send her go give her brother. Make her brother keep them as evidence. So all this while she was sending all these things to the brother. The brother come the verse when he come to see wetin they happen. The brother come tell Regina Daniel say make he come out for that marriage. Say he no support this man again. Regina Daniel say I ain't go take go. He get 2 children. So there was no excuse for Regina Daniel to leave. She not even want to leave the marriage according to wetin we hear. They say Regina Daniel no want to leave the marriage. Like the kind love where Regina Daniel for grandpapa. Now there's time me come they tell Regina Daniel say, be like say this man use charm on you. This your love not be ordinary one. With all these things where they happen. Person they give you front and back. Person just they use you till they do as if you be dog. Now here we say in grandpapa house I am nobody, but in my house I am a queen. Because that man they use this girl till they do like slave for bed. If they use this girl till they get all the kind of fantasy when he wants, all those kind of rough and yeah, this thing where the husband and wife they do for bed. In just they use Regina Daniel till they do the practical. Aye. Now Sammy call they talk, say this your own. Be like say this man. No be ordinary hand. Now it take cash you. This man use something on you, Regina Daniel. This your own, not be ordinary again. Now dear now Sammy when they try to remove Regina Daniel, come move for that marriage with waiting in the sea. Sammy no fit show him mama waiting they happen. But Sammy can't call him mama, can't tell him mama say, Mama, you see your daughter. You see this wicked old man, they give your daughter something, they take. Now dear, now Mama Regina Daniel can say, he no believe. Grandpapa na responsible man, this kind of old man. Now he can say, this man, I don't tell you, in get evidence, but he not free show you evidence. This man, they give your pikin something. Mama Regina Daniel can call Regina Daniel, can tell Regina Daniel, say, see what they say, they happen. If they happen, I be no they happen. Regina Daniel no free talk. Mama say they happen. Now Regina Daniel can say, now small they take to the eye. Mama Regina Daniel can shout. Now they can call Grandpapa, they can tell Grandpapa, say, which kind of thing be that one? Now Grandpapa can they try to defend himself, say, no be that kind one way they think, say now normal something, no, just be like dry alcohol. You can't begin to talk different things. And if you go abroad now, they buy and come, it's just like something like this. They can't talk, say, no be hard, so not be hard. This thing where they take, say this one just like alcohol, say they be like alcohol, they make person they high. The country say not true, the one they talk. The country say not true, now Grandpapa they talk. Not knowing say not that thing. But now only Sammy, now they talk say now lie, Grandpapa they lie. Grandpapa they give Regina Daniel that or that thing. So during the time when Grandpapa and Regina Daniel they do that bass boost, when Grandpapa come begin to talk, say Regina Daniel send the time when Grandpapa come to the talk, say he won't carry Regina Daniel go rehab. Say Regina Daniel head not correct again. That it don't enter his head. Now Sammy come send the clip, go give Grandpapa. Say Grandpapa take see this video. How you want to explain her? When Grandpapa they see that video, now you know say evidence they Sammy hand. Now there Grandpapa can put Sammy as target. See this boy they need to offer before this boy expose him. So now Grandpapa with the underground people where they work for him, the man underground they connect to. Now they come tell say, now Reggie, now he send and go give Grandpa, send and go give his brother. And his brother now only one get all those evidence. So that's why when they carry the boy, carry the phone. Now his phone be the first thing when they carry. So as they collect the phone, now make Grandpapa come they tell them, give me phone, now give me phone, now give me phone. Now they call tell Grandpapa, say they not just they carry phone like that, carry give you hold on. Now these people they go check phone, they can't see different things when they shock them for inside phone. Now the matter not be the way Grandpapa can't think, not be so matter can they go. Because at this point now Grandpapa don't draw a leg come outside. Because the way they say me they give and Sammy phone. Now that phone 9 days after and how to silence Sammy. That's why Mama Regina Daniel and Papa Regina Daniel need to fast forward anything they can do possible to remove their son from there. Because they feel they inject that boy with different things. Because Grandpapa they already won't put the blame, say Regina Daniel and her family, all of them they take that something. So that by the time he finish with Sammy now, when Sammy go come outside, una go see Sammy, una go think say Sammy they take something. Una no go no say that boy they say na only Morocco now they smoke. The boy no they take another thing, only Morocco they smoke. Now Grandpapa that place where he put her now is dangerous. Who know whether they inject her? Because they know they give her food, they know they give her water, they know they give her anything. They figure they put only that thing for her. Before that boy come out, before that boy go come out, he don't lost the memory, lost everything. Because where they put her in a dark room, very dark, the place where they put this boy, is unexplainable. Hey, una see where the brother right hand for here. Say where they put his brother. So the place where they put his brother not be better place. Where they put people where buy people. Tough criminal, tough terrorists. Where they put there? No lights. The place go just dark. They want me Sammy run kilometers. Make it for no remember. See math. Conte talk say, na him hold the secret to see what they happen. But waiting Grandpapa no say, even if that phone they with them now the phone dey with the police they hold the phone. Even if that phone dey with them, wetin grandpapa no know say that video wey Regina Daniel send go give your brother, e still dey other reserve place. Because now Sammy na tell Regina Daniel say the video this man, he not trust am. How can somebody be this wicked? This is pure wickedness. A little girl, you just carry and just dey use until they satisfy everything wey dey enter your head. Any kind of thing where you just think about wetin they do for bed, you just use this girl till they do am. Surprisingly, they say no be only Regina Daniel. You see all those wives where they all of them are the same process. Now all of them they go the same process. If they give all of them the chop, if they do the anyhow. Grandpapa don't enter another one. Another one, he say go carry Sammy go put for problem. Now the problem though they tie grandpapa leg. Hey, the problem now though they affect grandpapa because the things where they say Sammy phone now shocking things. Grandpapa now in though they tell them give me the phone, give me the phone. They have refused to give that phone to grandpapa. People where they work for her now, they won't come turn against her. Because if una see wetin dey inside phone, una self go pity Regina Daniel. Now it make me tell una right from the one say, I will continue to support Regina Daniel. Regina Daniel is nothing but a victim. That girl is nothing but a victim. Can you imagine wetin Regina Daniel they go through? Can you imagine? Im mama they remove wig for her today, people they laugh. But una no know say grandpapa own na go worse pass when time come. Evidence now water. My people, one dash shall never end. Oh. One dash shall never end. Muna pray for Regina Daniel. That girl really see something. She really see something. You see all those show up where Regina Daniel they show up now to console herself. One of the thought say, oh, better to cry Lamborghini. That girl was consoling herself with those things. She just they try to give herself happiness with those things. Small girl, you bust her backyard. You they use until they do all kind of things for bed. You just they turn and go front, go back, open here, open there. Hey, my people, wonder shall never end. Oh, wait till we not go see for this social media. Make una pray for Regina Daniel. My people, leave your comments in the comment section.